I'm really hot as fuck right now. Sweating in this fucking little room and shit. I just wanna drop something so fucking fast, you know? It's been coming out of me like every day. I can't help it, you know what I'm saying? It's like on my mind, constantly 24/7, 365.
Get up at the crack of dawn. Yeah, I learned in the work is the work, cause a nigga gotta earn a living. Killing longs in the 5 at the dad, doing drops at the gas hitters, I'll be hitting. So exotic, keep me high for days. I ain't kidding, you listen. Time to get in the shit expensive. Won't move, you fuck with this Mexican. I'm way too raw, you gon' need parental discretion. Shit gonna be hard to watch sometimes when they drop, they lay me twitching. Man, I'm missing the squeeze some. Dead ass cross me and your ass go missing. All about that dope, nigga, home with Simpson. Can't bring a nigga down, I'm different. Gotta stay low key, OG told me stay quiet and listen. Don't pay when it comes to your life, don't risk it. If I see no roller, I'm living. Convicted, bailing, everybody got their eyes on you. Ain't no telling what them guys gon' do. Type of shit that I go through. I think I should move in silence. Ain't no talking, we spit it cold. Make sure you eat all your greens, but it's time for me to go pick it alone. Yeah, now I get it for the low. Yeah, now I get it for show. Yeah, put the work on the floor. Yeah, get your ass on the door. Yeah.